Take a ride in the 2019 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.